Alright, so welcome to day 24 of our Python challenge. And in this day 24, what we are going to be doing is distance elements. So if you have been following me for this now to day 24 and you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you do so now. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so okay. So what's the next thing I want to do now? So distinct elements is to print out only unique elements in a set that I am using. Alright, so how do I do that? How do I approach that? So let's just go ahead by having an array of inputs. So I'm just going to go ahead and say list right here, map. You should be more familiar with this now if you have been following, and if you've not been following, make sure you do it to watch all of the previous videos we have. Right, I'm just going to go ahead and say inputs like okay. Elements. Alright, so I'm mapping this with the string just like this. Alright, so yes, that's for the right map. And now for the distinct, okay, for the distinct element now, I want to have a for loop. So I'm just going to go ahead and say, let's just make this a list for now. I'm going to go ahead and say for x in array. So if array dot count x is equals to 1, then I want to append x to my list, right? Just like that. Then so if I have this distinct element, if I have any distinct element, I want to just go ahead and print it out in this format. The join map string and this string. Alright. Just like that. Then otherwise, what I want to go ahead and print is no distinct element. Alright. So okay, let's just maximize this so we can work well with it. So I should go ahead and run this program now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have this distinct element here where 1, okay, this is too much. So let me just make sure I have like 1, then 1 is the only distinct element I have. Quite alright. Yeah. So if you're following, you know that there's a better way to approach this block of code here. And what is that better way? That's using a one-liner. So I'm just going to go ahead and say distinct right here. So x, now this is what we are returning for x in array, then followed by our condition. If array dot count x is equals to 1. So this will still work the same way. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. We still have our 1. So this is how you work with distinct elements with Python. Alright, so that will be all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this.